Hey everyone, this is David with Carefree Boat Sales. We just unwrapped a 250 RC, which for them is the rear bar layout. They do something really neat with this. You can order it with an extra foot off the back, which we do here. And then they use a nice fiberglass box that has a key on it for all your battery systems, for turning the boaters on and off, and it also stores like the hydraulic fluid and those types of systems for the power assist. So a nice contained unit, keeps it watertight. Just kind of walking into the boat right here. This year, doing all JL audio with subs. All the speakers are LED lit, recessed cup holders in all the seats, which is a nice job. Trash can in every one of these. This is the new speaker caddy for this year. You have the phone holders on both sides, and that's a waterproof case. Has a nice rubber gasket around it. Then the main feature of this boat is you're getting a 4-bar setup that comes with a standard magnetic top on both pieces. So the Yeti coolers that come with this boat have magnets in the bottom, and they'll just stick to this table. We've tested it over 60 miles per hour and they stayed on. Again, for the Sunsation, you get the 7-inch screen, JL audio. You get 2 high charge USB, a 12 volt. Then that's an adjustable cell phone holder, fits any size phone. This has the Honda IST and a 3-stage power assist control system. So it has like low, medium, high. And then the bar boat comes with the side galley. Got a nice little fridge, water feature, paper towel holder. These are all LED lit up at night. And the bar holder, container holder, can be removed. That can just be used as a table in there or not. And it has another table that's inside there that just hasn't been installed yet. So this is just a walk around 2021. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.